We got a new BumpBoxx. This is the Modelo limited edition version. We're gonna be checking it out. We're gonna be doing some product showcasing, everything about this speaker. It has a carry strap, charging block, remote control, a 3.5mm in and out line, Bluetooth, rechargeable 12-hour playtime. I'll test that out as well. It also has the USB charging, a low battery indicator, TWS, so you can pair multiple units. This one you can pair up to 2. You have a digital stereo amplifier, 5-channel equalizer setting, a visual display, 1/4 inch microphone input, audio in and out for linking units, so you can go ahead and link them manually. You have an ergonomic handlebar, an SD and USB MP3 media player, and these are the dimensions right here. So you have a 24-inch in length, 6 inches in width, 14 inches in height, and it weighs about 13 pounds. This is 150 watt max, 2 6.5-inch woofers at 4 OHMs, 3-inch tweeter, and it retails for about $300, $300 to $400. Let's go and check it out. Hopefully it'll fit on my review table. So yeah, if you haven't heard of BumpBoxx, this is the Flare 6, and they're a fairly new, they're not a new company, but they are the best when it comes to these types of products. So this is the Modelo version. We're gonna get into it right now, and it looks like it barely fits on my desk, so we're gonna try to speed this process up. Look at this. I don't know, it's not gonna fit on, okay. Hold up. So it's protected in foam, but I take off the foam and this is what it looks like. Look at that, that thing is clean. This screams like summer and it screams Modelo, obviously. You can see the visuals on this already. That is a clean speaker, look at that. So on top right here is where the visual is, and depending on the music, it'll go ahead and go up to that mark. You got the Modelo right here, a golden metal. This is like actual metal. It's a very nice handlebar. This thing will not break. It'll last a very long time, and it's good for parties. This is a party screamer right here. This is like one speaker you need for parties. In the back you have the bass. Right here you have some little writing there. This is like but it's a nice material. Let's see if I capture this. All right, so as you can see, right here we have the main volume. We have the bass, treble, mic volume. So you can plug in a mic for karaoke or just for DJs to speak. On and off power switch, DC volt for charging, 2 USB ports for charging other devices. So if you have like an iPhone or iPad or whatever, you have a TF card for your media, line in and out. You have the battery percentage as well as your just overall media and other stuff. Previous, repeat, play, mode, EQ, and your next. So you have all the media tracks for the media playback. And then you have the modes and EQ settings. So those are going to be helpful for overall clarity, overall treble bass, etc. If you want brightened music or whatever. This is the thing that's going to be really clean. And just taking a look at the build quality, you can see how clean this actually is from the fabric and the materials used. This thing will last a very long time for sure. Taking a look at that. It's clean. It is a clean product. And that's on the right side. So the right side is on the media control. The left side, you basically have nothing. But that's what that looks like. That looks clean. Look at that. You got the little line there. As you can see, you can truly see the beauty. All right, now it does come with extra accessories. I completely forgot because that speaker was amazing. You have some more accessories in here. So you have a little pouch to carry everything. Looks like you have a little spot for the microphone or something in the back. Probably to hook up on, I don't know. So inside this bag here, you do have your strap. It is Modelo branded, that's nice. You do have your stereo line in and out. You have your remote, so you have on here your mute, power, FM, channel up and down, FM scan, USB. So this does have an FM radio, which is interesting. You have USB, SD, aux, B, Bluetooth, FOL plus and minus, volume up and down. Previous, next, play, pause, repeat, EQ settings, 1, 2, 3, 1 through 9, modes, plus 10 and 0. And I believe this does take AAAs. Right here you have the power supply. Looks like it's an AC at 13.5 volts, 4 amps. So it's a pretty beefy power supply. Metal, actual metal here, and then a nice like a nylon material here with the Modelo there. This is a nice strap. You even have like rubber or padding so you don't have to, you know, hurt your shoulders or whatever after holding this, because it is like almost 15 pounds. If this isn't good, I will tell you straight up, but I know it's good, so we're gonna go and check it out. And the media controls, I think we're good. Now we're good. So let's go ahead and BumpBoxx Flare 6. Here, I don't know if you could tell, but you have jazz. Yeah, you can't tell on the screen. This is Bluetooth right there. Clarity, Q, NOA, pop, rock, jazz. I usually go for clarity or pop, but I'm just gonna keep it on clarity for now. But then you can also move up the bass and treble depending on the sound. So I'm gonna listen to my own music real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and test out some no copyright music as well. I mean, the modes definitely help for sure. I haven't even like cranked it up at all. As you can see, I'm like halfway, and on this volume, I'm not even all the way. I'm halfway as well. So right now it's not mind blowing, but if I do it mind blowing, it probably will get pretty loud. I know for a fact this $700 speaker is 100% better than this for sure. This one is a little bit better. All right, really quick, I want to do a little sound test of the actual speaker. We are at 100% on our phone itself, and on the speaker itself, we're literally not even like 1%. With your wife, you think she leaving with my hoodie, told her give it back. Stop off at the hometown, looking like I'm still the man. I see some epitomes of what it's like to finish last. I wonder what it's like to drop a name, feeling that. Been through a lot, but I ain't never had to deal with that. And fuck about a bunk, I'm done laying low. I'm done acting like the enemy ain't made a goal. Solid to the core, I can never play a role. And if she try to choose, tell her I don't take a rose. Know the hit, make her fall in love and take a soul. Yeah, check the body count, but I ain't saving. Now I'm going to turn the volume all the way up for the speaker and lower my phone. I heard that you got press, started telling names. You obsessing over hoes. She replied, I let her wait. Had to grow up at the tender age of 10 to change. So glad it's something I don't do that never been the same. I ain't been the same. Swear to God, I ain't been the same. Man. I practice passion over pussy, self-discipline. Oh my gosh. Okay, that gets loud. Who's falling victim, not me. In the zone, it's on a hot streak. I couldn't fall off if I tried. Got the sauce in the look up in my eyes. So she said it pics of me before they hit the ground. All night we running numbers on a fitness ad. This a cricket match, couple day affair with your wife. You think she leaving with my hoodie, bitch? Give it back. Stop off at the hometown, looking like I'm still the man. I see some epitomes of what it's like to finish last. Tell me what it's like to drop a name, feeling that. Been through a lot, but I ain't never had to deal with that. You go through different modes. You have pop, you have different types of music settings you can go through, and it'll go really, really well with the music that you're listening to, the genre. So it's a really good speaker. When you're not playing any music at all, if you're pretty close to it, you have a little hissing noise. I don't know if you're able to hear that, but you do have a little bit of hissing noise. So if that's a deal for you, then you know, that's what that is. But that's the only downside to the speaker. The speaker sounds really clean. It looks amazing, and obviously it's portable. It'll be good for pretty much everything. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description for the product. And so yeah, I'm going to be comparing this against more speakers. If you guys want to know which speaker is better than which, then I will definitely let you know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.